Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to compress a video without losing quality in CapCut PC. This tutorial will be very quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel, leave a like on this video, and let's get straight to the tutorial. So once you are done with editing your file, you're going to go and click on export option at the top right corner, right there. So click on it. And now, after that, you will be redirected to this specific window where you will see your file size right there. As you can see, it's almost 600 megabytes. So to lower the quality, first things first you need to do is go ahead and lower the resolution. So resolution is now at 4K. You want to go ahead and make it 1080p. And as you can see, the file size drastically changed. What you also want to do is go ahead to the bitrate and do this a recommended or even a lower quality. And after that, the codec should be this one, H.264 format, MP4, and frame rate 30 FPS is usually enough. So you want to leave on these settings, and as you can see, the file size drastically changed. If the bitrate for the recommended option is good for you too, just leave it like so. So the resolution is the main one. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.